going back there now to look at him now. Yeah, they can't even, you know. So now you know. You gotta leave plane.
Oh, it's done.
Oh yeah, it's done now. I don't think you need to even get another plane here. That's it for the day, ain't it? Did you open it up?
Folks, I understand something happened, but I need everyone to remain seated. We are still in an active taxiway. You need your seatbelts on, ma'am. You need to sit in your seat, ma'am.
Folks from the flight deck, this is Captain.
Just open it up.
Unfortunately, our ground crew pushed us into the airplane parked at adjacent danger. So we're not going to be taking this airplane to Washington Dulles. I don't know how long it's going to be until we can get back to the gate and allow you guys off the airplane, but I will do my best to find out. I guess they need to come out and take some pictures before we're able to move the airplane again. Our sincere apologies.
Open it up with your fingers to make it closer.